everybody. I've got a quick announcement to make. I'm wrapping up my teaching day, and I am excited to say that I have a new Donors Choose project up on my Donors Choose page. If you want to check that out, hit the link below. This is a great way for you to get resources, materials, new technology, lots of great ideas happening on Donors Choose. I've been using Donors Choose since I started teaching about 7 years, and I have raised over $15,000 just in Donors Choose alone, which is astounding. This is literally just putting up a project and hoping for the best, and people throw money into your classroom. It's great. I love it. So if you are interested in getting some things into the classroom and you're not sure where to start, Donors Choose is a great place to start. Go check out my bit.ly link down below. It's a quick, easy way to get it done. And you can send out easy bit.lys to your parents, to your people, to supporters, to your community. Find a creative way, make a bit.ly, just like send it out there, right? Like your name, DC for Donors Choose, done. If you're looking for ideas, looking for projects to put onto your Donors Choose page, check mine out. I've got a lot of different ideas. I've got instruments. I've got books and materials. I have technology. I've gotten a whole microphone set up. I've gotten a lot of applications for my computer like Final Cut Pro and Ableton Live and other kinds of software that I can use in the classroom on my school computers, and it's great. I am blown away at the support that we get. And if you're not sure if your classroom is good for Donors Choose or whatever, please just put up a project, because you will be shocked how many people from all over the country will just donate and support your room because you've asked for it. Okay. A lot of people are afraid to ask, hey, can I have $300 for this thing in my classroom? Of course you can. Here, people want to give that money to you. Okay. So go do it. Go check out my donors page if you're interested in supporting my classroom, or if you're looking for ideas to put into your classroom. And this is great for music teachers, art teachers, regular classroom teachers, high school, elementary school, whatever. I use my stuff for a whole bunch of different scenarios and circumstances. So lots of this stuff can be transitioned from one subject area or grade to another. So please go ask for your stuff. Go to Donors Choose.